I'm going to show you now how to use the Fleetwaro software's AI Documents module.
Can upload vehicle documents.
I'm dragging here a vehicle registration into the software by drag and drop. And I'm also dragging an invoice right here into the software using drag and drop. You can drag PDFs, JPEGs, or other images into the software. The red status symbol indicates that the AI is currently processing the documents you've uploaded. It's actively extracting and reading all the information that can be recognized within these documents. You can also upload driver's licenses, invoices, and various other receipts. When the status symbol turns orange, it means the AI has finished scanning and reading the document. I can display it here. It's a vehicle registration, which I can edit here. Since the vehicle doesn't exist yet, I'm asked if I want to create it with this license plate. I'm going to click on the plus button right here, and then I will proceed to set up and register the vehicle within the system. Pause. There we go. That's all done. Now, the next step is for me to click on the process button to finalize everything. And here I see what data from the vehicle registration document was processed. The newly created vehicle is now visible here, and for the technical details, data from the registration certificate has been adopted. I'll go back to the AI document module, and I see here that the second document is also ready for processing. I can display it here. It was an invoice, and I can now process this invoice right here. It's automatically detected that this invoice actually belongs to this specific vehicle, and the supplier for this invoice is identified here. I don't have this particular supplier in my software yet. That's why I'll click on the plus button here so I can create this supplier. Here are the invoice items displayed with the amounts and exactly what was carried out on the vehicle. The invoice items were also automatically identified as repair costs. I can now proceed to process the invoice.
It shows here that the invoice was processed,
and the invoice will then be displayed here in the artificial intelligence module.